What's good? I appreciate you coming through. Today I honestly just wanted to do a video I really haven't done before, and that's on how I'd style a specific item. In today's item, I'm gonna be styling my Chrome Hearts belt, the Cemetery. Love this belt. I just don't get enough wear out of it, if I'm honest with y'all, but I just thought it'd be pretty cool to show y'all like 3 different ways I style this. Of course, with all of us, styling is always different, so this isn't really a reflection of how I'm always gonna be wearing this shit, but yeah, I just thought, why not? So I'm gonna do that for y'all. I'll show y'all everything that I'm wearing like individually, and then I'm gonna put it together and then I'll walk in frame, and yeah. Hope y'all doing great though, and let me know if y'all fuck with this. Alright, so honestly, I just thought I'd start with these Hysterics, crazy pair of pants I found a minute ago. Just gonna see, honestly, like I said, it's random as shit. I wanna see what this look like with it. I'm gonna pair it with these 1199 boots from Basil. I got this fit together. The reason I chose these specific pieces is just because I feel like the print on the tongue, on this tee, goes well with the beads on the boots. Thing like the boots got the little silver bezels going around the ankle, as well as the little rhinestones on the pocket, and then it just all meshes well with the silver buckle. It's complementary to the overall color scheme. I think the other fits I got are definitely gonna be better, but I think this one's just kind of one of them ones where I just wanted to try out. I hadn't ever put this fit together, so that's all it is. But look on the side. But yeah, I love this tee too. It's boxy. It fits nice. It's very flowy too with the already skinny ass jeans that these is, and then the bulkier boots at the bottom. But y'all let me know how y'all feel about this one. I think I'd give this shit like around, like, if it was out of 10, I'd probably just rate this fit like 7. But yeah. But I think it still goes well. I think my idea was still cool. This is just a fit I want to try. Like I said, I ain't never even put this shit together. So I also did want to mention, like, those blue wash jeans I just had on, bro. Those are so crazy. So that's also why, like, I feel like it just adds to the overall texture of the outfit and just make everything just come together for real. So next, I think I'm gonna pair the belt with this AC/DC tee. I'm gonna pair it with these Rick Denim. My favorite denim for sure. For the shoes, fuck it, I'm gonna go Futures. I said fuck the AC/DC tee. I wanted to go hoodie. I just go ahead and put this Hellstar hoodie on. I chose these denim specifically just because I feel like they contrast well with the shine, because it's the wax shine that's on these jeans already. And then of course the white Futures have that pop. Wish you could change the silhouette of these. See if you like them. I choose to have them in a loose look, as so. And then the red, of course, adds pop to it a lot more. Yeah, I definitely wanted to go hoodie instead of the tee, because that tee, honestly, I'm tired of. I've worn that shit a lot, and I just thought this represents like where I'm currently a lot better anyways. Yeah, y'all let me know about what y'all think about this fit. I'll definitely give this a 10 on my end. I like this a lot. And these jeans are just crazy, bro. They really are. I wish I had gotten the belt my size though, bro, because this shit is a 34 or some shit. It just not fit right where I'm supposed to. Yeah, I definitely fucking like this fit a lot. This outfit was definitely a lot more flashier. So I wanted to go with the next one a little bit more calm. So let me show y'all what I was wanting to get going real quick. SLP is a nice straight denim. With some Babe Stud X CDGs and belt, of course. And then I'm just gonna find a zip up or jacket or some shit that could go with it, and y'all will just see. I'm actually glad to be making a video like this though, cause I just really want to display like my ability of versatility, like with my outfits. And I also never done this shit before too. I think it's cool too to just show y'all like, I guess like when I'm describing why I just put an outfit together, I'm just describing to you like exactly why I chose to put the outfit I chose to put together, like the why. Alright, so I just went ahead and went chrome glasses with the Nike, regular Nike fleece. I think some of y'all gonna hate that this actually worked, but yeah. Like I said, I wanted to go calmer. So I think this outfit definitely works out. This is just something that you could just throw on. I mean, me in this instance, obviously, was something I just throw on. Some calm shit, even though this belt loud as fuck. But yeah, I think this outfit just represents a very laid back type of resemblance. Obviously, jacket super comfortable. It's Nike. The fit of these SLP jeans, very nice. Kind of like a straight, skinny. And just because they're not super skinny, they have a nice little stack to them. And then the CDG base is definitely like stack it up nice. It stops the bottom hem in a nice manner. Whatever. On the left, it's a good example of what it looks like, just stacked top of the tongue. But yeah, I think just the silhouette of the babe says it just look nice. And then all that nice contrast with the silver belt buckle. I think even like this Supreme hoodie would go decent with this. But yeah, man, y'all let me know which outfit y'all fuck with the most. You know, be honest, you think I went trash for trash, that's cool too. But like I said, I just wanted to just do something different today and get an idea that I've had out there for y'all and just see if y'all fuck with it. You know, with this video, I just wanted to give you guys a display of like my process. I appreciate you guys watching. Thank you guys for your support on my videos lately. And I'd really love to hit 4K soon. So if y'all want to help out with that by subscribing if you're new and leaving a like for me as well so it could reach other people, I'd really appreciate you for doing so. But other than that, man, y'all let me know if y'all fuck with this format or if you just fucked with the video, if y'all want more like this. Y'all went crazy on my overview for this belt. And it's an amazing belt. I love it a lot. And I'm grateful to have this, for sure. But anyways, thank you for your time, man. God bless you. And I'll catch you guys in the next video. Love.